Hello, it's Andrew from Fine & Country, and you join me on the most magnificent early autumn day. And I'm here at the Mill House, near Callington, on the edge of the Tamar Valley, to show you this really special 4-bedroom detached residence in a wonderful sheltered setting. So welcome inside this property. As we see, this is the most fantastic living space here, having snug and cosy accommodation, but also very spacious and sociable. I love the wonderful floor-to-ceiling fireplace, which has its stone front, wooden lintel and wood-burning stove. Perfect atmosphere during those cooler evenings. In addition, there is a separate dining space, which is partially open to the hallway and could quite easily become a study for those who work from home. The owners of the property have lived here for several years, and during that time they've made significant improvements to the property. The superior kitchen seen here is delightful. Many of the changes made reflect the modernisation to include solid tops here in the kitchen. There's also an Aga range style oven, which is included in the sale, and there's a fantastic range of matching wall and base units, modern downlighting and ceramic flooring. Without doubt, for me, the most impressive room of this whole property is this exquisite extension, which was added several years ago, and as you can see, it's just a phenomenal living space. It really has a fantastic ambience, and also benefiting from direct access to the garden, where you can enjoy a drink or meal outside during the warmer months of the year. So this is a large dual aspect double bedroom, which, as you can see, has fantastic features with a wonderful authentic beam ceiling. This bedroom also has the benefit of an ensuite shower in WC, with a good sized shower cubicle featuring an electric shower. And one of the best things about this room for me is this wonderful balcony. Imagine waking up here and be able to take in the morning air with your cup of coffee and this wonderful location to its absolute full. This is an exquisite property, and I would say do please contact us at the earliest opportunity to take advantage of a viewing to appreciate to the full what we have to offer here. Call us today on 01566 77 1919. Thank you.